Ever wondered why some marketing just doesn't work? It often comes down to having a clear plan centered around your offer and knowing exactly who you're talking to. Start by understanding your customers, their fears, dreams, and what really motivates them. This helps you make offers that actually solve their problems instead of just throwing random ads out there. Next, pick the right platform where your target market spends their time, whether it's LinkedIn for professionals or Instagram and TikTok for younger audiences. Don't forget email marketing. It's one of the most powerful tools to keep your audience engaged and bring in sales repeatedly. Mapping out a marketing funnel is key. Think of it like a journey guiding a stranger to become a loyal customer by giving them clear next steps at every stage. Also, knowing the lifetime value of a customer helps you invest wisely and grow sustainably. Lastly, video content is a game changer. Start with simple stories on your phone. Short and raw wins over polished every time. Then try short videos like Reels or even longer YouTube content as you get comfortable. Remember, practice leads to progress. Following these strategies will give you a confident roadmap to grow your business effectively. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to keep learning.